Welcome to Expect Best. We specialize in providing web design, digital marketing, hosting and a ton of other digital solutions. Our experts offer a complete package to meet all your digital needs. And with over 400 happy customers, we've proven ourselves at crafting amazing digital products and services. If you're ready to elevate your brand online with a team that's as passionate as you, Expect Best can help.
WordPress Web Design is like building a custom-designed home for your business, but on the internet. And just as a custom home is tailored to the homeowner's tastes, a WordPress website can be tailored to a business's unique needs and aesthetics. WordPress's key benefits are its flexibility and ease of use. With WordPress, even someone with little to no web design experience can work on a professional-looking website. The platform also offers a wide range of customizable templates and plugins. This makes adding features such as contact forms, e-commerce functionality, and social media integration easy. WordPress is also open source, so a global community of developers is constantly refining it. This keeps your website secure and up-to-date with the latest technology. Overall, using WordPress for web design is an efficient and cost-effective way to develop a memorable online presence.
At Expect Best, we pride ourselves on delivering a range of online solutions which are tailored to helping businesses generate more leads, more sales, and more exposure. Regardless of your business needs, our professionals are equipped to boost your brand's online presence and will cater to any requirements. We take great pride in having served over 400 satisfied customers, and we've provided customized solutions for each client, with no obligations. Our creative team are committed to turning your digital ideas into a reality. So, for any inquiry, be it a minor or a major project, please feel free to get in touch via our website, or you can call our number on 01202 237 027. Thanks for watching this video. We hope it helps.